Welcome to episode 44 of the Science Communication Accelerator podcast. My name is Julius Vision. I'm the host and the co-founder of the Science Communication Accelerator Advisory. 9.8 million, that's the magic number, because 9.8 million, that's the number of TikTok followers that my today's guest has accumulated over the last couple of years. His name is Justin Cottle. He's the lab director and creator at the Institute of Human Anatomy in Salt Lake City in the United States. And we talk about TikTok, obviously, and how you can make use of TikTok. When you have listened to this episode, you will learn what TikTok is and how it can be used to convey scientific content, how it works differently from other social platforms, and we also talked about why the short video format that is employed at TikTok will rule social media in the future. Well, yes. And then we also have 4 ingredients how to build your own TikTok account to make this episode a bit more hands-on and also valuable for you. So if this is something that you're interested in, then join this episode. The thing is, I had set up a real nice structure, but we jumped right into this episode. So enjoy it. And we hear each other on the other side. Let's go.
Look, I literally put dead humans online. I show dead humans. I know that's a really graphic way to say it, and I don't mean it to be overly graphic, but when you put it that way, it's kind of like, well, if I can do that, I don't know why you couldn't do whatever you do. Like, it almost doesn't matter. I just so happened to time it correctly and getting into TikTok before no other science creator was really there. Seriously, I love talking about this stuff, Julius. This is fun. This is fun for me.
Welcome everyone to episode 44 of the Science Communication Accelerator podcast. The name of this episode is 9.8 million TikTok followers, and we're going to talk about how TikTok can be used for science communication. And I'm really psyched about that because I get asked this question all the time. So Julius, shall we start TikTok or not? And for real, I don't really know. I think it is a great opportunity, but in order to actually learn about it and how to use it, I'm really happy to record this session today and with an awesome guest. His name is Justin Cottle. Hi, Justin.
Hey, how's it going, Julius?
Hey. And Justin is the lab director and a creator at the Institute of Human Anatomy. And these numbers that I just mentioned, the 9.8 million TikTok followers, that's actually how many followers the TikTok account of the Institute of Human Anatomy has. And that's why I'm really happy to have Justin here with us today in order to learn about how to use TikTok, under which circumstances it might be also, it might be also useful for you. So I'm really happy to do this today, Justin. Justin, before we